update from the national capital, where Chandrababu Naidu has met Prime Minister Modi a short while ago. And the sources have informed that the meeting went for about nearly 20 minutes. So TDP chief, a key ally of the NDA, met with Prime Minister Modi just a few minutes ago, and the TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu was expected to make big demands for Andhra Pradesh, including on the capital Amravati, the Polavaram project, and several demands that the TDP has been seeking from the NDA, as it is its key ally in the government now. So the meeting lasted for about 20 minutes. Let me just cut across to my colleague Harsha, who is live from New Delhi. Harsha, a very good morning to you. Please take us through everything that was discussed in this meeting of the Prime Minister and Chandrababu Naidu.
So, Kirti, Prime Minister, today the CM of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, met Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he was called on the office of the Prime Minister to meet him. And it's the first time when Chandrababu Naidu in Delhi after taking oath as the Chief Minister of the Andhra Pradesh. And right now, what we have got to know is that meeting went on for almost 20 minutes. This meeting was very important because Amravati is made to be the capital of the Andhra Pradesh, and also there are several funds which will be the funds which Chandrababu Naidu will be seeking from Prime Minister, and after meeting several cabinet ministers as well, because the entire day Chandrababu Naidu is in national capital, and not only the Prime Minister but Home Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and the other ministers he will also be meeting early morning. First, Chandrababu Naidu also met Piyush Goyal, the minister, and also this was a courtesy meeting which till now they are telling us. But yes, the first budget will come around 22nd of July, and before that, this meeting is very important because Andhra Pradesh is continuously seeking funds to develop Amravati, and also right now what they're stating is that in Jagan Mohan Reddy's rule, the country was in the state was in immense debt, and therefore it is very important that all the debt should be cleared and the state could finally develop. Back to you.
All right, thanks for giving us those details. For now, Harsha, we will continue to come back to you when more details of the meeting do emerge and more clarity is given. For now, viewers, let's shift our focus. All right, but before we bring you the next story, let's tell you that the agenda of the meeting between the Prime Minister and Chandrababu Naidu included seeking funds for the completion of the Polavaram Dam project, as well as to seek additional financial assistance and concessions, and in fact tax breaks as well, in lieu of the special category status for the state of Andhra Pradesh. And in fact, sources have also indicated that Naidu will also raise concerns regarding the pending irrigation projects, the Amravati capital project, infrastructure development such as the state highways and roads, and the overall financial health of the state.